Wow, what a beautiful chilly day on Sodor, because Christmas is coming. Are you excited about Christmas, Percy?
Yes, I am, dude. I'm so pumped up for Christmas.
Me too. Me three. And hopefully I get everything I want this year.
I hope so, dude.
I better hope Santa Claus comes this year, even though we're stuck in the pandemic.
Of course he's coming this year, Henry.
Thomas is right. That's his job. You just gotta think positive.
You're right, Thomas.
Hey guys!
Oh, hey Emily, what's up?
Oh, hey, Emily. How you doing, my girl?
Just letting all of you guys know that on Christmas Day, we're going to be having a Christmas party.
Really? Are we gonna play some fun games?
Yes, James. We're definitely going to play some games because that's what you love doing all the time.
And especially the Christmas feast for the entire island.
Exactly, Henry.
We get to have some stuffed turkey.
Yup, and cranberry sauce and pies.
Sweet potatoes and potato chips.
Ice cream and cookies and gravy. And Christmas pudding.
Pudding? Oh, you know how much I love pudding. Does it include custard?
Oh, come on, Percy. Who do you think we are? Cavemen? Of course with custard.
Yep. With raisins, brandy, and all those things you like.
Well, we better get cracking because it's Christmas Eve.
Sweet. Sir Topham is going to be so pleased that we're helping out.
What should we do first? Spin the wheel on whoever's making Christmas lists?
No, that's not how it works, you moron.
We should do some holiday shopping.
Hey, that's a great idea, Thomas. I like that.
Let's put on our masks. James, you don't have lungs. Oh, my God. What's happening to me? Oh, boy.
James? James?
Oh my God, somebody get help.
Nice going, Henry.
Gotcha.
Not funny, James. You gave me a heart attack.
You should have seen your faces. You were so scared.
Aw, come on, James. And Emily, relax. Hey, how about we sing some Christmas carols?
Great idea. Hit it.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Toll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
Angel before us, la 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 la. Driving hard and tread the cards, la 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 la.
Follow me in every pleasure. Fa la 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 la. Wanna tell the Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la.
Sing we joyous all together.
Headless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Dawn now, gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Toll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Now we got everything we need. Let's take these to supplies all the way to Knapford.
Oh yeah, dude, let's go.
You know, I sure do wish Rosie was here too.
Oh, what another day to work, even though it's Christmas Eve.
Hey, Gordon, are you excited about Christmas?
Christmas, I'm a busy engine. I don't have time for your Christmas games.
Gordon, what's wrong?
What's going into him?
What do you mean what's gotten into him? He's always busy and that's all he cares about.
Yeah, but not on the holidays.
Well, sometimes.
But he's still coming to the big party tonight, right? Henry, I got a lot of things going on right now, so you can count me out. Oh, you potty pooper. It's Christmas! Just buck up and just help us decorate for the holiday party.
Yeah, we always decorate as a family.
My girl is right. And you always put the star on the top of the tree because, you're the big guy.
That's true, Gordon. That's the most important task for you. Because you're big, you're strong, you're
A very busy engine. That's right. That's what I am, and that's all what I am.
I am what I am, too.
Shut up, James.
Sorry, fellas. I want to hate Christmas right now.
Well, there goes the party pooper.
Don't worry, guys. He'll soon snap out of it. Hey, folks, is there anything wrong? Oh, hey, sir. It seems that Gordon hates Christmas. Oh, come on, guys. Gordon is a very useful engine, and he's very busy, and it's okay for him to be busy. But, sir, tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here.
Yeah, we can't celebrate Christmas without him.
I agree. He's part of our Sodor team.
Oh, sir, you need to do something. It just won't be the same if we can't all celebrate together.
Oh, don't you worry, doll. It will be.
Who?
What?
When?
Where?
Oh, pardon me. This is one of my helpers, Zombie Pigman, ZP for short.
Hey guys, it may not be Halloween, but I'm just here to help you guys get ready for the party tomorrow.
Gee, thanks, ZP. Just for a moment there, I thought you were gonna eat us.
Okay, what do you think I'm gonna do? Gobble you guys up like a pig? No, I only do that in Minecraft.
Minecraft? I love that game. Can you teach me these stuff?
Never mind that right now, James. We gotta find some way to have Gordon spend more time on Christmas.
Wait a minute. I have an idea.
Lame. How do you deck the halls anyway?
Well, you don't.
Who said that?
I did.
Oh, who are you? And what do you want from me?
I am Dumbskull. And seriously, why does everybody, including you, freak out every time when I appear? It's driving me crazy.
But you are a creepy ghost, and it's not even Halloween.
I know, but I'm a ghost that almost does everything.
Okay, just what do you want?
I'm here to inform you that you must learn the true spirit of Christmas. You'll be haunted by 3 spirits tonight. They're just here for visits, and tomorrow's Christmas.
That doesn't even rhyme.
Yeah, it does, old man.
Oh, says who?
Says me.
Okay, what do I have to do?
Take a sip of hot chocolate.
I take hot chocolate every year.
Well, drink it. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, fine. See? I told you I taste hot chocolate all the time. Nice hot cocoa.
Sure thing, man. Have fun with the 3 spirits.